Hey everyone, I'm Solwolf and I'm going to be unboxing a Hatchimals Hatchibabies today. I've had a couple of requests for unboxing one of these, most recently on my Facebook, so I thought I'd get one and unbox it and see how it hatches, and also compare it to Kevin, my current Hatchimal, who is an original Hatchimal, who came out a couple of years ago. Now, from what I can gather, the hatching experience is better, because if you remember with Kevin, I did do another video. You can see it at the end of this one when it comes up on the screen, but he actually took over an hour to hatch and it was really boring. So, and I had to help him in the end because his beak got stuck. So we've got the Hatchimal Hatchibabies, which hopefully should be more successful in the hatching and more fun as well. There's only one shout out, and that goes to Debbie Ingold. And I also want to say the next video won't have shout outs because I'm going to be doing the hatching in the next video and recording it straight after this video. So, and uploading it in a few days' time. So, you'll find out whether it's a boy or a girl, but there won't be any shout outs, unfortunately. So let's take a look at the packaging then. It's very much similar to the original Hatchimals. Obviously the artwork is a bit different. It says 5 surprise accessories. Will you hatch a boy or a girl? And the one I chose was the little cheetah one, because you could get a pony or a cheetah, and I chose the cheetah here. Baby Hatchimal, cuteness forever. And as usual, it's in a million different languages. Feed me, butt me, play games with me, and more. Hatch me. And you get a Hatchy birth certificate as well. And on the back it says, teach me to talk. Love me and my egg wiggles. Hatch me for the gender reveal. Peel and reveal interactive accessories, which are inside the egg as well. And then here, the more excited I am to meet you, the more I wiggle. Who will you hatch? Oh, here we go, the Chi Tree. I've got the Chi Tree, and the other one was the Ponette, but I thought the Chi Tree was cute, so that's the one I got. And it was actually in a sale as well, so I got it cheaper than usual, because of course it's after Christmas. Now, this is going to be interesting, because the original Hatchimal I had, I tried to open them from the top end, and I'm pretty sure you open them from the bottom end. So I'm going to try opening it from the bottom end, because there is this little tab right here that you can cut the sticky tape off and open it. Let's do that. And is that all I need to do? No. There's another bit here as well. Okay, is there another bit the other side? It would make sense. There is some the other side. Because I opened the other one like, 2 years ago or something. And I can't really remember how I did it. But I did put it up on my channel as a very heavily edited video. So I think the whole of the bottom part actually comes off, so just get the scissors here. I could just fold back. It won't really fold back without tearing, so I will in fact just cut this off here. I make it sound so easy, but actually it's not, and I'm struggling with it because I want to do it quickly so I won't have to edit this part out. There we go, that's good enough. Okay. Now, this should slide out. It probably won't, but it should. Yes, it's working. There we go. Okay, so put that to one side. And this should pull out here. Well, it would if there wasn't sticky tape everywhere. There we go. On all sides. Like that. And you've got one piece of plastic, and then you've got another piece of plastic. Oh no, the egg itself is actually got plastic on the top of it. It's really heavy. And then in here you have all the instructions, and here's the egg. If it will stand up, it probably won't. I'll just put it on its side. There we go. Hopefully it won't roll off the table. That would be tragic. Okay, so let's have a look at the instructions, which are again in a million different languages. So you've got customer service. There's your Hatchimal certificate. So you can write on his name or her name. I've got no idea of what I want to call it if it's a boy. But if it's a girl, I don't know. Okay, so these are all in different languages. So we only really need the English one, which is this one here, tips and tricks. It's in a different language. Oh, it's French on the back, but we'll keep the English one. So this is very much similar to the paperwork that came with the original Hatchimals. You get this one, and then you also get the big leaflets as well. Just find the English one in this. No, that's Russian. Here we go. Find the accessories once I'm out of the egg. Oh wait, I think it's actually all languages. Yes, the whole thing is literally all languages. So you've got the English at the top and then the other languages underneath. So we'll go with this tips and tricks one. So basically what you get out of the box is the egg. And you have a thing underneath which is instructions. After removal, dispose of key locks immediately. So that basically starts him moving. Or her, depending. So if we get the paperwork here and have a look. Hatching time, here we go. Right, the top of the egg, the bottom of the egg. You hold and rub the egg, pat the egg, rock, tilt, tap, set down. So basically it's the same as what you did with the original Hatchimals. Only the egg sort of like moves slightly more. And when you see rainbow eyes, he's ready to hatch. Which means he'll start pecking away at the egg. So let's take this off and see if I can activate him. It doesn't matter which way you move these. God, that's hard. That's really... Oh, there we go. I was moving it the wrong way. That's why it was so hard to move. So when you take these off, try and move them whichever way is easier. Just want to move this way. There we go. There we go. You can hear him inside now. Oh, there are his eyes. So he's in there. He is there. He's making slightly cat noises. So obviously he's a cheetah crossed with a bird. And his speaker is there. See, it's oh, he's going to sleep. So I'm going to have a little play around with this guy and see if we can get him hatching in the next video. Now basically what I'm going to be doing is, until his eyes turn rainbow, I will be doing this. You know, just sort of tapping the egg and moving the egg, and it's all quite boring to watch. So once he starts actually hatching, then I'll do another video. So if you want to see my other Hatchimal in the unboxing video that I did, you can click the links that are coming up on the bottom of the screen right now, because I said I'd just put a link to that. And for now, this is Silverwolf signing off. I'll see you in the next video.